In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your status message in Zoom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting a status message in Zoom is a great way to let your colleagues know what you're up to or when you're available. It's especially handy in busy work environments where communication can get lost. So let's get right into it. First, you'll need to open the Zoom desktop app on your computer. Make sure you have it installed. If you don't, head over to the official Zoom website to download it. Once you have the app up and running, you're ready to go. Now look for your profile picture or your initials in the top right corner of the Zoom window. This area is where you can manage your account settings, including your status. Go ahead and click on your profile picture or initials. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options related to your profile. In the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option that says Set Status Message. A new window will pop up with a text box where you can enter your message. This is your chance to get creative or just be straightforward. For instance, you could type something like, "In meetings this morning," or "Available after lunch." The choice is yours. After you've entered your message, let's talk about how long you'd like it to be displayed. Below the text box, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Clear After. Here you can select how long you want your message to remain visible to others. You have options like 1 hour, 4 hours, or even a custom time if you prefer to set something specific. This feature is handy, especially if you know you'll be busy for a set period. Once you've chosen your message and decided on the duration, the final step is to confirm and apply your status. Look for the Save or Done button in the bottom corner of the window and click that. And just like that, your new status message is set. Remember, your status message is a useful tool for communication. It helps your team understand your availability without needing to ask you directly. Further, keeping your status up to date can help streamline interactions throughout your workday. And that's it. You've successfully set your status message in Zoom. If you ever want to change it or reset it, just follow those same steps. Before we wrap up, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.